Ever wondered how those trendy items you see online make their way from factories to your doorstep? Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping and specifically, how shipping works with Modalyst. Dropshipping explained. Let's start with a quick recap. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer buys from you, you order the product from a supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. Modalyst's role. Modalyst is a platform that connects you with thousands of suppliers, offering a wide range of products for you to sell. They handle the order fulfillment process, including shipping. Shipping process breakdown. Customer places an order. When a customer buys a product from your online store, the order is placed with you. Order transmission. You then send the order details to Modalyst. Supplier selection. Modalyst selects the most appropriate supplier based on factors like product availability, shipping time, and cost. Order fulfillment. The supplier processes the order, packages the product, and prepares it for shipment. Shipping label creation. Modalyst generates a shipping label with the customer's address. Shipment. The supplier ships the product to the customer using the shipping label provided by Modalyst. Shipping methods and times. Standard shipping. This is the most common shipping option, offering a balance of cost and speed. Expedited shipping. For customers who need their orders faster, expedited shipping options are available, but they come at a higher cost. Shipping times. The exact shipping time depends on the supplier's location, the customer's location, and the chosen shipping method. Modalyst typically provides estimated shipping times. Shipping costs. Customer pays shipping. In most cases, the customer pays for shipping. You can set your own shipping rates or use Modalyst's default rates. Free shipping. To attract more customers, you can offer free shipping for orders above a certain amount. Tracking and customer service. Order tracking. Modalyst provides tracking information, allowing you and your customers to monitor the progress of the shipment. Customer support. If there are any issues with the shipping process, Modalyst's customer support team is available to assist you and your customers. Benefits of Modalyst's shipping system. Efficiency. Modalyst's automated system streamlines the shipping process, ensuring orders are fulfilled quickly and accurately. Reliability. Modalyst works with trusted suppliers to minimize shipping delays and ensure products are delivered on time. Convenience. As a dropshipper, you don't have to worry about handling inventory or shipping products yourself. Modalyst takes care of all that. Common shipping questions. Question: can I choose the shipping carrier? While you can't directly select the carrier, Modalyst works with reliable carriers to ensure timely delivery. Question: what if the product is out of stock? Modalyst will notify you if a product is out of stock, and you can update your customer accordingly. Question: can I offer international shipping? Yes, Modalyst supports international shipping. However, shipping costs and delivery times may vary. So, to recap, shipping with Modalyst is a hassle-free process that involves customer orders, supplier fulfillment, and shipping label generation. Modalyst handles the logistics, ensuring your customers receive their products efficiently. If you're ready to start your dropshipping journey, Modalyst is a great platform to consider. With their streamlined shipping process, you can focus on growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.